There is a time when a rich person wants more time and money to realize his ambitions. A crazy, intelligent, competent richest man globally, Elon Musk, is an example of that rich person in today's world. But what about the wealthiest person in the world, building the giant factory in the US that will put a boom in the whole country's economy? Make sure you watch this video until the end to learn more about Elon Musk's announcement on the formal start of operations at Tesla's new plant, calling it the country's largest automobile factory. Welcome to TechSpot. It all starts when Tesla begins to send invitations to an event called Cyber Rodeo, which will be the grand opening of the Gigafactory Texas in Austin, a significant milestone for the firm and its industrial growth in the United States. A few days after opening the Gigafactory in Berlin, with the first shipments of European-made Tesla automobiles, the manufacturer has declared the launch of another factory, the Gigafactory in Texas. Tesla will begin production of 3 models that have slipped considerably behind Elon Musk's initial plan, now ready to complete in 2023, the CEO announced during the inauguration of the carmaker's most extensive facility. We'll be in production with Cybertruck next year and the Roadster and Semi, the billionaire stated on stage at the company's Cyber Rodeo last week in Austin. This year is all about scaling up, and then there will be a big surge of new things next year. Musk introduced Tesla's Angular pickup in November 2019, stating that manufacturing would begin in late 2021. In January, the electric vehicle manufacturer said that it would postpone the release of new models until next year, citing difficulties scaling up current products during supply issues. Musk unveiled prototypes of the Semi and the next-generation Roadster in November 2017. However, they are significantly later than the Cybertruck. Initial production was scheduled for 2019 and 2020, respectively, at its announcement. Despite missing deadlines, Tesla has been on a roll since introducing the Model Y. This first Texas-made vehicle was delivered at Cyber Rodeo. Tesla was granted permission to entertain 15,000 guests during its grand opening in Austin, including art shows and a slew of Model Ys organized to resemble the Texas state flag. The celebration began with hundreds of drones swooping across the night sky to form the state of Texas, as well as a Cybertruck and a SHIBA coin dog. It was a hell of a party. Gigantic Tesla coils fired white streaks of electric current at a beautiful cowboy, twirling inside the metal cage. The Tesla Gigafactory's dedication to the spectacle was incredible. The lightning-like sparks would erupt from the coils to the beat of the club music, which was pulsing through the adjacent speakers. The dancer within the cage, wearing a cowboy hat and booty shorts, got down to the music while the crowd roared. How much more could anyone want from a party? Weaved in and out of a metallic cactus forest, cross not one but 2 metallic bulls circled a petting zoo within a gigantic geodesic dome, and scenes like what was perhaps the most beautiful show of light-up drones in the night sky. Musk arrived on stage in a first-generation Roadster and joked with Tesla's head designer, Franz von Holtzhausen, about shattering the windows of an upgraded version of the Cybertruck. "I can't wait to start making this baby," Musk remarked. "It's going to be amazing." Musk used his typical superlatives to describe the Austin plant, calling it the most sophisticated vehicle manufacturing the Earth has ever seen. Tesla provided video of bigger 4,680 battery cells, which the CEO said were built on site. "We believe that this will be the largest cell plant in the world over time," he added. Musk said in November 2020 that Tesla's then under-construction facility outside Berlin would be the largest in the world. Musk claims that by 2023, the facility will be producing at least 500,000 vehicles per year. Initially, it will make Model Y hatchbacks with the hard-edged Cybertruck pickup. Tesla's new Gigafactory a $5 billion, 3,200-acre battery manufacturing complex that has already commenced production, has the world's most significant physical footprint. Musk expects that by manufacturing battery cells in the United States, he will be able to develop quicker while saving around 30% of the cost. The plant collaborates with Panasonic, which currently manufactures Tesla's cells. Panasonic will work on its cells in one area of the plant. When they are finished, they will be given to Tesla to complete the process. Musk's idea is that this is not the end of plants, as it is the biggest in the world, he claimed. His idea elaborates on plants like this in Asia, Africa, China, and Australia. The dream this guy had seen is based on some severe revolutionary stages. Being the wealthiest guy and set of ideas, you can bet on achievements to get done by this guy. The Gigafactory is not some extravagant vanity project. It is a solid vision of the future of manufacturing, a method to make batteries faster without transporting goods across the Pacific Ocean. If everything goes as planned, it will be completely sustainable and capable of contributing to the production of 500,000 electric vehicles each year and other energy storage technology, which might wind up being Tesla's actual effect on the globe. And the Gigafactory might create up to 10,000 jobs in the region. There aren't many firms in Silicon Valley that perform these offerings. Musk's larger-than-life thinking is what attracts the money he desperately needs. But the numbers must mount up rapidly, or his fascination will disappear. Musk was categorical when asked by the BBC if the master plan publishing and Gigafactory launching ceremony were timed to counterbalance possible negative news from Tesla's financial results due next week. "When you mentioned the earnings call, that's when I thought about it," he remarked. His claim that Tesla will become profitable this year appears to be off the mark, and even if Elon's devoted investors have backed him up, they may be wondering when or if the profits will begin to flow. Still, investors trust Musk because of the atmosphere he has built. Consider withdrawing now if he does end up transforming the world. Musk says the facility will primarily focus on Model Y production. Still, it will also be in charge of Tesla Cybertruck production beginning in 2023. He added, "We apologize for the delay. It's been a long couple of years, but we'll have this for you next year, and it will be fantastic." The new model of Cybertruck has an electronically retractable back glass that divides the bed from the cab, side view cameras positioned in the cladding surrounding the front wheels, and handle-free doors that Musk claims will simply know when they will have to be opened. That's wonderful, but how will they know when they need to close? Musk also mentioned the Tesla robot Optimus will be available maybe next year. The firm's growing full self-driving program notes that the business aims to go to broad beta for all full self-driving customers in North America this year. The new multi-billion-dollar Texas facility is built for optimal efficiency. It will produce cars with three primary components: a back piece created from a single metal casting, a battery system designed as the vehicle's structural foundation, and a front section composed of a single metal casting. Just as in modern airplanes, where the wing is a fuel tank in the shape of a wing, the battery cells themselves bear weight in the new Model Y architecture. This results in a lightweight car that has fewer components, costs less, and improves crash performance. Hence, it also has a safety benefit, he added. Making a car out of three primary elements is a revolution in car manufacture. Of course, Tesla has followed through on some of its CEO's scale-related promises. Last year, the business produced more vehicles at its Fremont, California plant than at any other manufacturing site in North America. Musk stated that Austin will become the finest example of a vehicle plant in the U.S. However, he did not provide a timetable. Following Musk's speech, fireworks illuminated the night sky to the music of Beethoven's Symphony No. 5. The gathering drew a large crowd, especially actor Harrison Ford. He was observed in the VIP lounge with Musk's mother May and brother Kimball, a Tesla board director. That's it for today. What do you think of the new Gigafactory? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Also, before you go, Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.